So the hope today is that we will clean out the rest of this ditch going up to the shop and actually cut in a sewer line that will eventually tie in to the inside of the shop. When they built this shop on the property, they actually did put in a drain line, 2-inch drain line for a sink, but because there's actually a septic field somewhere out here, we're going to tie that in and run a line back up here, run it down the side, and with enough slope to get back to that corner, go under the foundation wall, and then we'll eventually get a diamond hole saw, drill a hole through the slab floor, and then connect in a drain and actually put a toilet bathroom in the shop, which would be awesome out here. And then it'll come down and connect. So we'll start digging and clean this out and then come back. Digging, but finally have the ditch cleared going up to the 2-inch drain that was already existing in the shop that previous owners put in the slab, and was, I assume, for a sink. That's what I'll use it for, is a drain, sink drain. And then that'll come down and tee into, or Y into, the sewer line. And then we got this dug today, going back down the side of the shop, which will come all the way down and go down here, and then it's going to actually go down, and have already cut it under in order to go inside the shop and drill a 6-inch hole through the slab, and then that'll come down, connect in, and turn and run back down here, all the way back over to the drain, about the sun. So anyways, that's it. Next will be the pipe. Oh, it's nighttime, almost, sunset, but got the drain line in, going back, and, turning back down here and going into the sewer line, connected back up here. So that'll be the end for today. Have to pick it up later when we finish the project.